my channel. Today I am actually going somewhere. So, wow, I am gonna go see my boyfriend. I haven't seen him since March face to face. So I'm excited. He lives in a different city, so I'm going to go and visit him. So it will be fun. So I'm gonna get ready, and I thought, why not do it on camera, and then I can show you around whatever we're gonna be doing today, and just have a bit of an explore. I already primed with Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Base because I always prime with that at the minute. It just seems to be my go-to. You know what? It is quite hot actually. So I'm actually going to put a little bit of Professional as well, just around my nose area, because I know that this is where my makeup tends to wear off, and it will just make it extra smooth. Yeah, I'm really excited. It's our 2-year anniversary on Wednesday. Today's Tuesday. So what's the date? It's the 21st. So today's Tuesday and Wednesday's our anniversary for 2 years, which is crazy. So yeah, time travels quick. Really quick. And I'm going in. Oh, I can't wait till we move. I have all my stuff back. Look at this wall, it's so ugly. This is Double Wear by Estee Lauder, and this is in Bone. And let's do some. I'm actually going to wear concealer today. I've not worn concealer in a long time. L'Oreal Infallible. I love loads of concealer, so don't give a shit. I'm just going to go for it. Dampen up my beauty blender. Set with Too Faced powder. I don't know where the lid is. I don't know where anything is. I don't know where anything is. Do you ever get the feeling when you just can't be bothered to get ready? Can't bother to get ready. I think I'm gonna go in with Rainbow Splash from OPV and some Doll Beauty as well. Dipping into this shade and this one. And I'm just gonna do my hair. I'm just gonna curl it. So you've seen me do this before, so I guess I will catch you when I have my outfit on. So I'll catch you in a minute. So I'm about to show you my outfit of the day. I'm wearing this dress with these little ballet shoes. This is my jewellery, the watch, and I'm taking my Speedy bandolier as well. We're going to be out walking all day. So I'll show you another view. This is my outfit. Cute. Woo! So I've been petrol station. I got my petrol. I got my Red Bull. Into you, girl. All I think of is Drag Race and Monique Hart going yes in the background. It's all I can think of when Valentina's like turning it out, bitch. Joanna, get with me. No, I had an outfit like that in high school. Flash, flash, oh. can try this out. Ho. Girl, I'm driving behind this lorry with 2 logs on, and it literally looks like Final Destination. Let me see if I can show you. I feel like they're gonna fall off and crash into my car like Final Destination. I'm freaked out. Girl, we got an hour and a half left of the journey. Ding dong, I've been calling all night long. Shade of phone, bitch, you got a shade of. Always got some lame excuse. You was in the shower, scrubbing your balls. You. Oh, okay, guys. So we're just around the corner. I made it. Wow, that was a long ass drive. I'm not even gonna lie. It was very, very long. So I'm just going to do some touch-ups just before I get there. I'm just going to put on some more Saint Germain. And I'm going to do a little fresh spritz of perfume. I'm wearing Coco Chanel Mademoiselle today. I'm going to go see him after so long. It's going to be fab. I'm excited. I don't know what we're doing today. We're just gonna get some nice lunch and shit, and then, I don't know, hang out. Right then, I'm gonna go. Wish me luck. Who's here, bitch? I see my boyfriend. He's a bit camera shy, so he doesn't really want to be in it, but he's just gonna say hi. Say hi. That's it. So we're gonna go get some food and just chill. Sorry. Super yachts. The rich bitches of Norwich. Ooh, rich bitches.
I'm not a camera dolly.
Oh no, thanks. Oh my god, it's a man on a boat. Oops. It's a canoe, I think. Fatso? What's Fatso? That's me after we just ate. Is this Bella Italia closed? Loads of them closed, right? It's so pretty. Well, no, it is a bit grim. It's a bit green, a bit dirty, but it's cute still. Ah, flowers. Cathedral. Wow, it's huge.
Yeah.
Do you love that?
Do I love it?
Is that the bird in the spire?
Oh, that's a bit.
Where does it nest?
It's in one of these windows.
That's crazy. What, and it always nests there?
I think there's one, because I saw people recently with
It looks like a castle almost, doesn't it? Like I know it's a cathedral, but it looks like a mythical castle.
Oh, a mythical castle.
Yeah, you know, like princesses and queens live, and then imagine there's like a big dragon over there somewhere or something. Wish we
could have the stonework.
I wish we could go see the bird. Wow, look at that. There's a car here, but
Oh, what?
a car. What's this from? It is from an infirmary, isn't it?
I think so.
It's like really stony.